My personal question to you is, why not you? You've got the brains, you can make decisions, you can study the plan, you can change your life, you can grow immensely in the next few years, you can make your dreams come true, you can build a financial wall around your family nothing can get through, you can become healthy, you can become powerful. Why not you?
Dive into serenity with mindfulness meditation for beginners, unlocking simple practices for a focused and calm mindset on this transformative journey. Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the serene world of mindfulness meditation for beginners. In this video, we'll introduce simple practices that will guide you towards a focused and calm mindset. So, find a cozy spot, grab a cushion if you'd like, and let's embark on this transformative journey together.
The fear is never reaching your potential.
That's it.
That always falling short, always quitting before you're done, always procrastinating, always not doing the right thing. And then one day you're an old man.
Yep.
And you look back and go, God, I could have been great.
Tip 1. Find a quiet space. First things first, let's create an environment conducive to mindfulness. Seek out a space free from distractions, whether it's a cozy corner in your home, a spare room, or the serenity of nature. As the great poet Rumi once mused, "Silence is the language of God. All else is poor translation." In this quiet space, you create a canvas for introspection, a haven where the noise of the world fades and your focus turns inward. Finding a quiet space lays the groundwork for a profound mindfulness experience, allowing you to connect with your inner self and the present moment.
We are so worried about what other people think about us. You know, it's like, oh my gosh, what if they think I'm crazy? What if they think I'm over obsessive or competitive? And what if this is like, you're too much, this is just not healthy for you to be thinking this way, right?
Yeah.
How did you get your mindset into this alter ego to be comfortable being Black Mamba? Like, how did that happen?
It's a good separation for me, you know, emotionally, to be able to put myself in a place where at practice or when I'm training or doing games, I switch my mind to something else. I switch my mode into something else. It's like an actor getting ready for a film. You gotta put yourself in that cage. When you're in that cage, you are that character. And then when you leave there, it's something completely different. But when I'm in that cage, bro, don't fucking touch me, don't talk to me.
Tip 2. Set a timer. Now that you've found your space, the next step is to set a timer. This simple act serves as a guide, preventing you from being preoccupied with time during your meditation. Martin Luther King Jr. aptly stated, "The time is always right to do what is right." By designating a specific duration, whether it be 10 minutes or more, you grant yourself the freedom to immerse fully in the practice. The timer becomes a gentle reminder, ensuring that your mindfulness session remains focused and uninterrupted. With time as your ally, you can delve deeper into the realms of introspection, letting the stillness of the present moment unfold naturally. Set the timer and let the journey within commence. Tip 3. Sit comfortably. Next, find a comfortable seated position. Whether you choose a chair, the floor, or opt for a lying down posture, the key is to ensure your back is adequately supported, promoting relaxation. As the renowned yoga guru BKS Iyengar wisely noted, "Your body is your temple. Keep it clean and pure." This comfortable seated position sets the foundation for a focused and tranquil meditation experience. Take a moment to make any adjustments needed, allowing yourself to fully settle into this space dedicated to mindfulness. Tip 4. Close your eyes. Optional. As you settle into your chosen position, consider closing your eyes. While it's entirely optional and depends on personal preference, closing your eyes can be a powerful aid in turning your attention inward. This helps eliminate visual distractions, allowing you to focus more on your breath and sensations within. Hippocrates once wisely proclaimed, "The eyes are the windows to the soul," suggesting that by closing our eyes, we can turn our focus from the external to the internal, facilitating a deeper connection with ourselves. Experiment with this option and choose what feels most comfortable and conducive to your mindfulness practice. Tip 5. Focus on your breath. Now that you're comfortably seated with the option to close your eyes, gently shift your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each inhalation and exhalation. It's essential not to force or control your breath. Instead, allow it to flow naturally. As the Venerable Thich Nhat Hanh eloquently expressed, the breath is the bridge between the mind and body. Focusing on your breath serves as a grounding anchor, bringing you into the present moment and cultivating mindfulness. Take your time to establish this connection, letting the rhythm of your breath guide you into a state of calm awareness. Feeling the calming power of your breath, We'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Share your experience and remember to like and subscribe for more mindfulness tips. Tip 6. Acknowledge your thoughts. As you settle into the rhythm of your breath, thoughts may naturally arise. This is a normal part of the meditation process. Rather than resisting or becoming entangled in these thoughts, simply acknowledge them, recognizing their presence like passing clouds in the sky. Ajahn Brahm beautifully compares thoughts to falling leaves, encouraging us to let them go. By acknowledging and releasing these thoughts without judgment, you create space for a clearer, more tranquil mind. Embrace the simplicity of this practice, understanding that the goal is not to eliminate thoughts, but to observe them with detachment, allowing them to come and go like gentle waves.
You're always afraid to take the first step because all you see is every negative thing 10 miles down the road. But you can do anything you want. You are bound by nothing. What are you passionate about? What do you want?
Tip 7. Feel your body. With your mind gently attuned to your breath and thoughts acknowledged, let's turn our focus to the physical sensations within your body. Starting from your toes and gradually working your way up, gently bring your attention to different parts of your body. Notice any sensations, warmth or tension, without passing judgment. This practice of body awareness aligns with the ancient wisdom captured in 1 Corinthians 6:19, reminding us that the body is the temple of the Holy Spirit. By cultivating an awareness of the body, you deepen your connection with the present moment, anchoring yourself further into the meditation experience. Tip 8. Be kind to yourself. As you navigate through the landscape of your mind and body, it's important to be kind and compassionate to yourself. If your mind wanders or if you find yourself caught in a stream of thoughts, gently guide your attention back to your breath or the present moment. Remember the profound words of the Buddha, "You are not your thoughts." This gentle redirection, free from self-judgment, is an integral part of the mindfulness journey. Embrace the understanding that moments of distraction are opportunities for growth and self-discovery. In the realm of mindfulness, kindness towards oneself acts as a nurturing force, fostering an environment where inner peace can flourish. Tip 9. End with gratitude. As the designated time for your mindfulness meditation draws to a close, resist the urge to rush back into the demands of daily life. Instead, take a few moments to sit quietly and appreciate the present moment. Expressing gratitude for this time dedicated to self-care is a beautiful way to conclude your practice. Oprah Winfrey, a proponent of gratitude, once affirmed, "Gratitude is the key to happiness." Consider reflecting on the simple joys, the peace you cultivated, and the awareness you nurtured during this meditation. Gratitude acts as a powerful catalyst, enhancing the positive effects of your mindfulness practice and creating a sense of contentment that extends beyond the meditation session. Tip 10. Practice regularly. Lastly, the true magic of mindfulness unfolds with regular practice. Aim to incorporate 10-20 minutes of meditation into your daily routine, even if it starts with just a few minutes. A Japanese proverb wisely reminds us, little by little, a little becomes a lot. Consistency is key as you embark on this transformative journey. Over time, you'll notice the cumulative benefits seeping into various aspects of your life, from increased focus and reduced stress to a heightened sense of awareness. Establishing a regular practice builds a foundation for lasting mindfulness, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with a calm and centered mindset. As you venture forth, may your mindfulness journey be filled with tranquility, self-discovery, and a profound connection to the present moment. There you have it, the introduction to mindfulness meditation for beginners. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more mindful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your mind be calm and your heart be light.